My dear trader, many traders ask me one simple question about gold. What are the best indicators for scalping gold? And why they work so well? Gold moves fast. Gold reacts strongly to levels. Gold punishes hesitation. And if your indicators are not correct, scalping gold becomes very stressful. So today, I will not show you many indicators. I will show you the only indicators I personally use for gold scalping, with real chart examples, and why adding more usually makes things worse. Today, I want to answer this slowly and clearly. Not with many indicators. Only with the ones that actually help. Not all indicators work well on gold. Before we talk about indicators, we need to understand one thing. Gold is not like other markets. Gold is not like forex pairs or stocks. Gold moves quickly. Gold spikes. Gold respects key levels and reacts fast. That is why gold scalping needs clear direction, strong momentum, important price levels. That is why simple indicators work better on gold. For gold scalping, I don't use one time frame. I use 3 time frames. Higher time frame for direction. Entry time frame for setup. Lower time frame for execution. For example, 15-minute for direction, 5-minute for setup, 1 minute for entry. This helps me stay aligned and avoid random trades. Before we use any indicator, we must set it correctly. A good indicator with wrong settings can still confuse you. So let me show you exactly how I add these indicators step by step. First, open your chart gold to USD. Remove all indicators. Nothing on the screen. This is important. Clean chart. Clean mind. Indicator 1 moving average, direction filter. The first indicator I use for gold scalping is a moving average. Why does this work well on gold? Because gold often trends strongly during sessions. And when direction is clear, half of your psychological stress disappears. Now we have the moving average. First EMA 200. Then EMA 50. And finally I add EMA 20. I use it only on the higher time frame. Why? Because direction should not change every minute. Gold needs a stable guide. If price is above the moving average, I only look for buy scalps. If price is below, I only look for sell scalps. On this chart, price is above the moving average. This tells me one simple thing: I should not sell gold here. I only look for buy scalps. Many traders sell against the trend on gold. Gold punishes this behavior very quickly. That is why direction is non-negotiable in gold scalping. Be smart while using these indicators. If you want to go deeper, watch my EMA structure flow lesson and my gold scalping setups videos. Link in the description. Let's move to the next. Indicator number 2, Relative Strength Index, RSI. Now I'm going to add an RSI indicator. RSI is not for predicting tops and bottoms. I use RSI on the setup time frame. Usually the 5-minute chart. I only look for strength or weakness. Why RSI works well on gold? Because gold can spike without continuation. RSI helps me see if a move has real power, or if it is just a fake push. If RSI is weak, I don't rush. If RSI is strong, I prepare. Look at this example, the price looks strong. Many traders enter, but RSI is weak. On gold, weak momentum often means reversal. So I stay out. Not trading is protection. Now look here. RSI is strong. Momentum is clear. This tells me gold is serious about this move. The third indicator is VWAP. Now I add VWAP indicator. This works best on the intraday time frame. This is very important for gold. Gold is heavily traded by institutions. And many institutions watch VWAP. Watch what gold does here. Price moves away, then comes back. VWAP often acts like a magnet on gold. When price reaches VWAP, I slow down. I observe. When price is far from VWAP, I'm careful. Now here is the key idea. Gold moves fast. So we need alignment, not prediction. When the moving average shows direction, RSI shows momentum, and VWAP shows level, decisions become simple. Now that everything is set correctly, let me show you how I use these indicators together on real gold scalping trades. Trend is bearish. RSI is strong. Price pulls back to VWAP. This is not luck. This is structure. Before I enter any trade, I already know my risk. Correct time to enter. Where to place stop loss and how much does it cost if I lose. When to take profit. If risk is not clear, gold will punish you. Let me be honest. Even with the right indicators, some gold trades will lose. This loss followed all rules. This is normal. Indicators should not predict gold. They should help you react faster. Because in gold scalping, speed and clarity are very important. So every indicator I use must answer one question. If it doesn't, I remove it. Let me tell you a story. One trader showed me his gold chart. He was using many indicators. One said buy. One said sell. On gold, this hesitation is dangerous. He looked at the chart. And he froze. This is not gold trading. This is confusion. Gold is exciting. That is why discipline is critical. 1 or 2 scalps per session. Then I stop. Gold scalping is about control, not excitement. These indicators are not magic. But for gold scalping, they give clarity, speed, and control. And in gold trading, control is everything. If you want to go deeper, watch my EMA structure flow lesson and my gold scalping setups videos. Learn step by step. No rush. Subscribe for more gold trading lessons. I will see you in the next video.